Hi, welcome to this Coda tip, which is going to be great for those of you who are using Coda as a wiki. So when we're in Coda, we can always @mention people, right? Like @Maria, right? And they get notified, and then we can hover over it and see all of the information about that person. But we can also do the same thing for any of our rows, which is why I love our glossary template. So here I've got a bunch of different terms in my glossary with some tags and their definition. So now I can use this in any part of my doc to be able to add some context. So I could say, here at Coda, we pride ourselves on and then we can choose thumb wrestling. So now, notice it gives me that object and the little @sign, and it gives me the formatting so I know I can hover over this and get that description. So I could see, hey, let me know a little bit more about that. And it lets me now see that term. This is great for acronyms, company terms, definitions, or anything that is an important piece of content, important definition for your organization, your team, or your family. So remember, you can @mention people as well as rows. All right, I'll see you in the next Coda tip. @you.